Hey everybody, Marybeth Angelelli would like to welcome you today to my Cash Inbox program. This is an amazing instant pay program that I've been part of since Cash Inbox opened their doors earlier this year in 2018, and I'm really excited to be here to share with you this amazing program. This is instant pay, it's right now money, and that's one of the many reasons that people love Cash Inbox. It's only a one-time fee of $125. That's it. Very affordable for the masses. And this program has such mass market appeal for a multitude of reasons that I'm going to be highlighting and discussing with you in this video. There's only a $25 one-time admin fee. That's it. So these are one-time fees, no monthly fees at all. That's one of the many reasons why people love this program and why it's growing in popularity every single day. What the $25 consists of is you're going to have your own sales page and your own back office. That's where all of your training is going to be. And I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to get when you join Cash Inbox. You have the option of picking up a capture page when you join for only $47 one time. It's well worth this one-time investment. This is a business. It's a real business. It's going to take a little bit of money to invest one time to set yourself up and position yourself to go out there and earn in a big way where you can receive these instant 125 commissions over and over and over again, multiple times a day, 24/7, 365. You can get paid again multiple times a day, all hours of the day and night, even while you're sleeping. As long as you're sending consistent traffic through your capture page, you'll have visitors. These visitors will turn into opt-ins, into leads. People will get added to your email list. They'll also be able to get a series of follow-up emails for an extended period of time as well. And they'll go ahead and purchase when they're ready. Super exciting. Many mornings I've woken up to those super exciting instant pay notifications in my email that I've had another 125 instant pay commission through Cash Inbox. Those are the most exciting type of emails. Nothing like waking up to money, okay? This is a very easy program, okay? It's very user-friendly. It's very newbie-friendly. That's why people love it, and that's why it appeals to the masses. 100% commissions, which means you can earn instant payments to your favorite payment processor, whether, like myself, I use Authorize.net, which is a merchant account. You can also get paid through PayPal directly to you. It's member to member. You earn 100%. You keep 100% of the sale. Again, this is a really simple program, and like they say, simple sells. Fully automated system. I'm going to demonstrate exactly how that works in this video, so stay tuned. One level, no monthly fees. So, for example, a lot of programs have different packages, different package options, different levels, and sometimes this can be confusing because people really don't know where to start, and they have those all-important buying decisions that they have to make. With this, it's only $125 one time, okay? You get a complete back office with training. I'm going to share that with you and show you what that looks like. And it's all current in the current year, 2018, comprised of Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and attraction marketing in the format of simple step-by-step video training tutorials, ideal learn while you earn system, okay? So the way this works is someone comes through, you can get this capture page, looks just like this, very, very high converting capture page. This capture page serves me very, very well, and it will do the same thing for you as well. Very, very attractive, very professional, and very simple. All you have to do is redirect it to a domain name. I've chosen cashinbox.info, so I'll pop that link in the description below. You can go ahead and check that out, cashinbox.info. You advertise that. You can also do paid marketing. I will share with you all of my paid resources that also work very, very well. If you have an advertising budget, the name of the game is getting out there and driving as much traffic as possible to this page right here. This page is a winner. It converts extremely well, and it's only $47 one time. Now, for example, you do have options, and let me just get that out there. Perhaps you might be a member of Power Lead System, PLS, Online Sales Pro, OSP, or the Conversion Pros, TCP. If you are and you want to design your own capture page, you certainly can, okay? But this one here is a proven winner, and it works amazingly well. All someone has to do is enter their email address, click show me the video, and this is where they're going to get taken to, okay? An amazing, simple sales page and simple sales. Get multiple 125 payments through this marketing education digital reseller program, this simple done for you automated system, and this is a fully automated system. I'm going to explain that too, okay? Get you paid around the clock 24/7. You'll be able to watch a short video. This is the video here, and this is really an awesome, oops, let me go back here, sorry about that. This is an awesome video, and it works really well, and it converts, okay? And it does all the telling, selling, and explaining for you, so you don't have to. Works amazingly well to just automate the process here. You could put your picture like me. Okay, this is where you can have the setup. Your name will go here. This is optional. You can put your phone number. This is my cell number. So this gives people and affords people the opportunity to text or call me, which is wonderful. My email address. So I have multiple ways of contact, multiple points of contact, and that's important if you want to be successful in online marketing. And this also redirects to my Facebook page. So if somebody wants to, connect with me, if we're already friends, that's wonderful. If we're not, if they want to send me a friend request, they can do that too. They can go here and go right through my Facebook and message me through Facebook. Another point of contact, okay? So here we go. My Buy Now button is here to get started. This is all you have to do. Click here. You'll be taken directly to make your 125 one-time payment. Once you do that, you're going to basically be taken here, and you're going to make a one-time $25 admin payment right here. And then what's going to happen is there's going to be a form that's going to pop up. And it's a short, simple form. You just simply plug in your information. And with this information, this is going to enable your sales page, just like I just shared with you, to be created completely on autopilot, okay? So once that's done, you've done all that, you've made the 2 payments, you've made this payment, you can go down here and you can make the one-time payment for your capture page, all right? And it's $47 right here. Once you've done that, again, a short form is going to pop up, and you're going to plug in your information, and then your system is going to be generated. You'll have either your sales page or your capture page, and then you're going to be able to get instructions on how to go into your back office. This is going to be available and accessible to you as soon as you make those 2 one-time payments. You'll have instant access to this, so it's fully automated. Okay, and this is going to be your members area. Super simple. This is where you're going to access all of your training as well. You'll be able to log in here any time of the day and night with your username and your password and plug right into your training. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and attraction marketing. Ideal, learn while you earn opportunity. Instant pay, 125 over and over again, directly to you, however you want to get paid, whether it's PayPal or your favorite payment processor. In my case, I'm using my merchant account, all right? So you can join our Facebook group here once you become a member and pay, and we'll welcome you in, and you'll be able to connect with other awesome Cash Inbox members. Very, very nice active group, okay? So basically that's it. Once you make those 2 payments, this is where you make the admin payment after you've made the 125 on my site. You can go ahead and pick up your lead capture page right here for $47. And then again, there's going to be a short form where you're going to plug in your information so that your system will be generated for you. You'll have your complete capture page. It's going to redirect to your sales page, connect it up with your autoresponder, and you're in business, folks. All you have to do is plug into the training. I'm also going to give you additional resources. If you have a budget where you can completely automate this process, all you have to do is drive traffic. You can do that through solo ads. You can do that through SMS text messaging, and folks, you're in business. I want to wish you the best. I want to welcome you in advance to my cash inbox team. I know you're going to love this. This is a time of year where people are coming online in record numbers and are looking for systems just like Cash in the Box. Simple systems where they can start earning instant pay commissions. Instant pay programs have always been popular because there's no waiting around to get paid. There's no waiting around to get paid weekly or, every other week or however companies pay. And this is not multi-level marketing, no monthly fees. You don't have to worry about building, an extensive downline and building, a left arm, a right arm, multiple levels deep. None of that. Just super simple, easy to understand, one-time payments, and then you are in a position to start earning those multiple instant 125 payments over and over again right into your bank account. Doesn't get any easier. You'll have all the training you need. And what's wonderful about this training is not only can you take it and use it for the greater good to generate profits, multiple 125 payments over and over again, all day long, folks. But this training here is universal training. Once you've mastered this, once you've mastered Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, Instagram marketing, and attraction marketing, you can go out there, hit the ground running, and generate income with any online program, folks. That's the beauty of this program. So with that being said, go ahead, click on the link below. If you have any questions, contact me. All my contact information is going to be on my sales page, which is right here, 330-787-1795. Feel free to text or call. You'll make your one-time payment right here. You'll be redirected to make the one-time admin payment. Fill out a short form so that your site and your system can get ready. And then you'll be able to access your members area right away after both payments are made. And you will be in business, folks. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Hopefully I will see you on the inside of Cash Inbox. I hope you enjoy those instant payments of 125 over and over again, just like I've been able to enjoy, and many of my team members as well. Talk to you soon and have a great day. Bye-bye.